I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your cat trainer app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on settings here. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then it's going to show for you here apps. You click on it. So then it's going to take you when you click on apps, it's going to take you to next here, and here you're looking for cat trainer app, or just click on search. Then here add cat trainer, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on first stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, count the storage list here. Just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.